Yo, what up, gang? So I'm back with a quick video. So I just uploaded a video showing the $742.50 that I made on the second phase of the account. Unfortunately, I was not able to get the video from the beginning. I was having some issues, and even after the recording, I realized I still had issues because it was recording like partial on my screens. But I think I figured out how to fix the problem. So I wanted to go over my setup from early this morning, the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. pre-market setup, which is similar to the Asia session. The Asia session is just obviously in the PM, but similar trade, similar setup. Matter of fact, let me rephrase that. The This morning I did not get the initial setup. I just got the last part of the move. Okay. Wow. Right now the market's tanking. Looks like this anyway. So let's go back to this morning. So this was the setup that I saw. Right. So I came in. Let's delete this. None of this was here. I mean, half of the stuff you see on the chart right now wasn't here. So when I came in, so I marked off the 7 a.m. I'm sorry, the 8 a.m. and then my 9 a.m. I mark off my pre-market high, right? 1 second. Let me. I think I deleted. All right, let me just put this back here. I accidentally deleted this. So a typical pre-market high and low in terms of the stock market pre-market highs and low is typically from about 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. But since I'm trying to get that 9:30 push, I just stop at 9 a.m. and I look for a gap within the 8 and 9 a.m. Push this over so you can see the gap better. So if you can see the difference between the high of this candle and the low of this candle. Sometimes, to be honest, I typically go right on the body of the candles. Sometimes, it's not set in stones in my opinion. Right, so we'll just leave that there for right now. So I noticed that gap was a setup, but I had a meeting with my 5-year old teacher this morning, so I wasn't really into the market. Um, but anyway, the market did exactly what I wanted to do. The market came, broke pre-structure low, and I noticed it gapped in. Obviously, I missed that, but that would have been the perfect setup because the market tanked, right? Market came back again and gave another setup, pulling back into this gap, and then the market tanked. And I think when I got into the trade, I got into the trade somewhere around here. This is what allowed me to pass phase one. I had this area marked up off the 1 hour chart. The market came back slightly, missed that demand area, and then I jumped in on a long trade to end up passing the funded, not the funded, to make the $700+ that you saw, right? But that was the setup from this morning. Um, okay, so right now I was looking for a setup on this, and I actually started. This is the second time recording this video. The first time I was recording the video, I ended up having the same problem where my MT4, just a partial on my screen, was recording. So I had said in that video, if this low here got taken out or violated, then I would look back to the upside. So for the market to come back and give me some type of hammer pattern or similar, and then I'll look to jump in. So right now I only need about 500, somewhere in the 500 range, to end up passing the challenge. So on the TFF, you can see the phase two, right? I took one trade on that account, and there's the 742.50. Okay, that's TFF. So right now, again, looking to see if I can make that 500, or maybe I should just close the charts, walk off, and come back in the morning. But what I would really want to do is end up passing this and see if maybe by tomorrow TFF will send me the funded account. Right? All right. But then again, that's kind of like where emotions come in and greed set in, because even though it's not a real 742. But if it was real, would I have still been trading, or would I have just taken that $742 and just go about my business? I could go downstairs. I'm upstairs in my office. I could go downstairs and chill out. But yet, here I am in the office trying to push a trade, right? Okay, so let's open this up. But again, I was looking for a long on this, because for the last few hours the market's been going up. So I'm gonna risk 500 or 600 to make the 500. So I'm gonna go ahead. There's that hammer pattern right there I was looking for. So I'm gonna jump in.
Order filled.
Okay. And let's go 600, 580.
Order filled.
I hope it doesn't keep making that noise. I changed that audio earlier today, but I didn't know it was gonna do it every time it came back. I thought maybe only once, like how I do it with the alerts. Okay, so we're up 70. Shit, what am I talking about? We're up 300 and 400 bucks. So again, we're looking to make 500, a little over 500 to pass the challenge. And it looks like the market's giving me some good push. But as you already know, it's trading. I like to hear the sound when the market take profit, so we'll go ahead and put that in. Let's do it for one time. Take profit. And then we're gonna set one that says you got stopped out. Alert. One. You got stopped out. So I'm risking $510, and that doesn't include the commission. Look how close that thing came to my take profit. Look how close it came to take profit. Yo, this is crazy. Should I just take that? I think it could push. I think it could push inside of this gap right here. Notice this small gap. It's acting like it don't want to push, but I know we could do it. 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 Ooh. Candles are getting smaller and smaller. I know you can do it, baby. Boom.
Take profit hit.
And that's it. All right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because we just passed the challenge. All right, just wanted to add this to the back end of the video, because I did close out that video a little abruptly. So I did get the email from the Forex funder with the certificate. Okay. All right. So there's a certificate right there. I can download a PDF copy. We got a PDF copy. I'm not gonna print this. If I make money and get payouts for a payout, then I'm gonna print this, right? So, but I'll download it though. I'll download it. So we've got a TFF certificate. January 31st, and the last day of the month too. How ironic. Okay, so we'll close that out, and just wanted to go back here and show you how this thing played out afterwards. So once I got out the trade, as you can see, the market pulled right back into one of these supply areas that I had initially and tanked again. I wasn't necessarily looking for a trade, because obviously I made the money, but this would have been a very nice trade to take on any account. A nice 6 to 1, or if you're looking for your 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, I would have been targeting these lows down here. These lows somewhere in this realm here, so I could have probably got maybe a 5 to 1, or maybe I would have gotten the whole 6 to 1. So anyway, as you can see, I did pass this thing tanking. So 2 trades, take profit hit. If I had kept the first trade, I would have passed the challenge from earlier because it did when it hit TP. So once I get the funded account, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. I'm gonna try and be more consistent, but you guys know I'm dealing with a lot, but this is actually helping me out amongst other things. Waiting for my fidget clicker to come in the mail today. I haven't gotten it yet, so maybe it will help me, right? Because I still got to work on that mindset. Yeah. So right now, I think the market's gonna come all the way back down here, somewhere in here. We could possibly get some type of reaction in that level. But I'll go ahead and I'll close out this video. So again, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and share the video. So again, once I get the new account, I'll let you guys know. Peace.